In this video, we'll demonstrate how to seamlessly add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store. But before we dive in, if you're eager to learn how to integrate AliExpress products into your Shopify platform, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's get started. First, head to your Shopify store. Scroll down on the left sidebar and select Apps. Navigate to the App Store and search for AliExpress. Look for an app called Deserves, and upon finding it, click Add App. Once you've added the app, you might need to bind it to your user account using your email address. Follow the prompts, and then proceed to Install App at the top right. If you're opting for the free plan, select it on the far right. Now, you'll need to create an AliExpress account and link it to your user account. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions provided. Once your AliExpress account is set up and linked, head to the Import list. Click the provided hyperlink to explore various products available on AliExpress. For instance, select a product you wish to dropship. Copy its link and return to the Import list. Within the Importer Search section, paste the copied link into the designated space and click Search. Once the product appears, select the checkbox beside it and hit Push to Shopify. Ensure the preferences are set accordingly, especially by selecting Publish to Online Store, which is crucial. Click Push to Shopify. Again, to add the selected AliExpress product to your Shopify store. Check your Shopify store's Products section to confirm that the item has been successfully added to your inventory. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful tutorials. Your support inspires us to continue creating valuable content. Thank you, and stay tuned for more tutorials.